Gemini, born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. See, I'm for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lies of Juliet. Starstruck eyes, she's a rebel in disguise. Couldn't see it if you tried. It's so neatly wrapped inside. She's just like her mother's mother. A hit strong, hit first diver. Daughter floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lies of Juliet. Juliet, her sparkling silhouette. You never will forget the moment your eyes met. Oh, Juliet, her heart's not taken yet. Terrified of regret. So closer, know she will let go. Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? I don't know. Juliet, she never wants to be found. Too young for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lies of Juliet. On a midnight train on a red eye flight. Catch a glimpse of her dress and she's out of sight. With her headphones on and her hopes so high. It's the many lies of Juliet. On an afternoon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. So I'm just getting ready to go to the grocery store and I'm going to bring you guys with for that. This next week is spring break for me and I had a bunch of exams and stuff going on right before break, and so I definitely wanted to take today to get organized, and that's essentially what this vlog is. That was a really weird way of explaining it, but I think you get the idea. But like I said, I'm going to get groceries. It's so windy today, but can't really help the weather. Gotta go get groceries. So I'm currently in my car and my car will not start at all. So my family is going to come out. We debated calling like a towing company, but they're so expensive, and we're gonna just see if we can jump start my car and see if that helps. And if not, we'll have to figure out what to do. But with that, I don't actually know how much more I will vlog today because I have this other stuff going on. So this vlog may be continued tomorrow, or I might film a little bit. I'm not really sure, but this is just one of those life circumstances that can sometimes interrupt your original plans. So I was gonna go get groceries and now I'm gonna deal with car problems. I just got back from the store with my parents and I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul. This is everything I got so that I can meal prep for myself for 1 week, the week of spring break, because the dining halls are closed. This is kind of what I eat in a week, give or take. It's my groceries for a week, essentially. Okay, first thing I got is some low-fat Greek yogurt. I think it's Greek. Is it? No, it's not. Never mind. It's Dannon Light and Fit low-fat Greek yogurt, I think. Non-fat yogurt. Anyway, I got a thing of yogurt. I also got some guacamole, mild specifically. I got some vegan or like plant-based chicken, which I'll be using in some of my meal prep. I got 3 cans of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes, no salt added, 3 packs packs of pre-cooked rice. I would get regular rice that I could just cook myself, but I live in a dorm and that's just not as practical given my current living situation. I got a jar of relish. I needed more mayonnaise, so I got mayonnaise. I got a loaf of bread. I like to get the 12 grain bread. It's personally my favorite. 2 bags of red grapes. These are my favorite. I'm absolutely obsessed with red grapes. Chef's kiss. So good. They're so good. Got a big container of spring mix. It says it has lettuce and baby greens. I got how many are in here? I got 6 Honeycrisp apples, and I also got a thing of protein powder. They didn't have vanilla. I like to get vanilla, but all they had was chocolate, so I got chocolate protein powder. So it's the next day. It's currently Sunday, March 18th. Is it the 18th? Yes, Sunday, March 18th. So just a quick update. Yesterday I was having car issues. My mom and my dad ended up coming out and they helped me. For sure my mom, and then also I think my sibling and maybe my dad are gonna be coming out again on Wednesday, so in a couple days, because basically I just keep having car issues. I had like a battery issue where we had to change the battery, and ever since then I've been having a few problems with my car. It's really frustrating, but we will hopefully find a solution very soon. We're gonna be taking it in. That said, I was able to get groceries. I think I showed you guys the groceries that I ended up getting. And then my sibling had ended up sending a book with my parents to bring for me, and it is so good. I ended up reading it all late afternoon and evening yesterday. It's called Love Theoretically by Allie Hazelwood. This book is so good. I love it. I'm 2/3 of the way through. Super good. Highly recommend. Anyway, now I'm getting ready to go for a walk. It's gonna be extremely windy because the last few days have been extremely windy for some reason, because it's like kind of sunny out, and I need to get out. I need to get out of my dorm, and not just for fixing car issues or getting groceries. Like, I want to go out, have a hot girl walk. They're very good for my mental health. I really enjoy them, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Born under a spring moon sky, couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go, never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. See, I'm for settling down.